Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Reza Aikal bin Azni Rijal. My student ID is 2025881316.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzati Naida binti Jaiman and my ID number is 2025807516.
My name is Nurul Fakihah binti Saiful Adli and my student ID 2025861792.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Anis Nur Kalisha binti Abdul Rahim from BA1112C. My student ID number is 2035-203382.
Woodora Furniture Enterprise is a furniture business established for this accounting project, specializing in high-quality wooden furniture that combines functionality, durability, and modern design at affordable prices. The company offers two main products, which is wooden table and wooden wardrobes, both made from quality materials to ensure durability, practicality, and customer satisfaction. This project applies ACC116 cost accounting concepts, including the business background, product details, and job cost card, to demonstrate effective cost management and financial decision making.
Our business background, which is Woodora Furniture Enterprise, is a partnership business established on 20 May 2026 in Melaka. Our company manufactures and sells wooden household furniture, including wooden table and wardrobe, and also offer custom-made furniture services. Its main market is customer in Melaka and nearby area. Our business handles raw material purchasing, production, quality control, marketing, and delivery. Our business goal is to provide high quality, durable, practical, and affordable furniture for modern homes with the tagline quality wood, comfortable living.
Now, I will explain our products and the job order costing methodology used in this project. Our company, Woodora Furniture Enterprise, produces two customized products, which are wooden tables and wooden wardrobes. These products are finished with varnish to provide durability and attractive appearance. They are suitable for homes, students, families, and offices. We use the job order costing method because every product is made according to customers' requirements, such as size, design, color, and finishing. Therefore, all production costs are recorded and assigned to each individual products. Next, for the direct material cost, the wooden table uses solid wood planks and plywood, giving a total material cost of 116 ringgit, while the wooden wardrobe requires more quantity on the materials, so that the total direct material cost is 360 ringgit. While for the direct labor cost, the wooden table requires carpenter and machine operators with a total labor cost of 54 ringgit. The wooden wardrobe requires more labor, giving a total labor cost of 75 ringgit. Next is the manufacturing overhead cost, which includes indirect material, indirect labor, electricity, depreciation, and measuring tool. The overhead cost for the table is 63 ringgit and 50 cents. The wardrobe has a higher overhead cost of 290 ringgit because it needs more resources during production. And finally, after combining all production costs, the total cost of the wooden table is 277 ringgit and 50 cents, with a profit of 121 ringgit and 50 cents and a profit margin of 30.45%, while the total cost of the wooden wardrobe is 654 ringgit with a profit of 245 ringgit and a profit margin of 27.25%.
And this is our job cost card for wooden table. So how to get the prime cost? Direct material cost, which is RM160, plus direct labor cost RM39, plus other direct cost RM15, and you will get the prime cost RM214. And how to get the production cost? Total prime cost, which is RM214, plus manufacturing overhead cost RM44.50, and you will get the total for production cost RM258.50. So next, how to get the product cost? Total production cost RM258.50, plus with non-production overhead cost RM19, you will get RM 277.50. And to get profit, selling price which is RM 399 minus total product cost RM 277.50, so you will get the profit RM 121.50. And to get selling price, product cost RM 277.50 plus profit RM 121.50, and you will get RM 399.
Now, I will explain the job cost card for our wooden wardrobe. The method is just the same like the wooden table. First, we have the direct material cost, which includes solid wood planks costing RM240 and plywood costing RM120, giving a total of RM360. These are the main materials used to build the wardrobe. Next is the direct labor cost, which consists of wages paid to the wood polisher amounting to RM30 and the wood carpenter costing RM45. This gives a total direct labor cost of RM75. We also have another direct cost, which is the special machine rental of RM30. When we combine the direct materials, direct labor and other direct costs, the prime cost is RM465. After that, we add the manufacturing overhead costs. This includes wood glue, nails and screws, wood varnish, sandpaper, door handles, hinges, as well as indirect labor costs for the factory manager and factory technician. Altogether, the manufacturing overhead is RM146, resulting in a production cost of RM611. Next, we include non-production overhead costs, which are factory electricity of RM25 and machine depreciation of RM18, adding up to RM43. This brings the total production cost to RM654. Finally, we add a profit margin of RM245, giving us a selling price of $899 for each wooden wardrobes. Overall, this job cost card ensures that every cost is properly recorded, allowing our business to price the product accurately while maintaining profitability. A job cost card is used to record and calculate all costs involved in producing one unit of a product. It helps businesses determine the total production cost and set an appropriate selling price.
Now, I will present about the assignment protocol. Firstly, we all discussed together to create a self-simulation business. Then, we decide to make a small business about a wooden furniture. Secondly, after some discussion, we plan to make a self-simulation business about selling wooden furniture, and we name it Woodora. We also come out with two different products, which is wooden table and wooden wardrobe. Then, we made some fieldwork planning and decide to make a selected final product, which is wooden wardrobe. We found out about its total of direct material cost, direct labor cost, and manufacturing cost. After all of that, we give a task on every team member individually to make a perfect presentation and report. For my reflection and recommendation, through this ACC116 group project, I gained a valuable knowledge about preparing job cost card and applying manufacturing costing concepts such as direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. I also improved my understanding of product costing, pricing, and cost control in business environment. Work closely with my group members enhance my communication, teamwork, time management, and problem-solving skills. This project also taught me the importance of careful planning, accurate calculation, and cooperative in completing tasks effectively and achieve our project objective. For future improvement, I recommend that the business implement a better inventory management and production planning system to reduce material waste and avoid delays. Regular monitoring of production cost and labor efficiency can help minimize unnecessary expenses, improve quality, and ensure the business achieves higher profitability while maintaining the quality of its product.
For reflections and recommendations, this group project provided our group with the opportunity to strengthen both our accounting knowledge and our ability to work collaboratively in completing a business project. Throughout the process, we develop a better understanding of the importance of careful planning, accurate calculations, and logical decision making when preparing financial information. For future improvement, I suggest improving more detailed cost analysis and exploring better product designs that can increase value for customers. These improvements will help our group produce more organized and effective projects in the future.
For reflection and recommendation, through this ACC116 group project, I learned how to prepare a job cost card and calculate direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead accurately. They also improved my understanding of product costing and pricing. Working with my group also improved my communication, teamwork, and problem-solving skill throughout the assignment. And for recommendation, I think the business should improve the production planning to avoid wasting time and materials. Better planning can make the production process more efficient, reduce unnecessary costs, and increase overall profit.
My reflection throughout this assignment is that firstly, this assignment helped us see how our textbook theories such as tracking direct labor and absorbing overheads. Secondly, we improve our teamwork and communication skills by dividing tasks effectively and double-checking each other's mathematical calculation to avoid error on the job cost guide. Finally, creating the flowchart challenged us to think logically about how materials and labor move through a workshop, which enhanced our analytical and problem-solving skills. For future improvement, I recommend that the business adopt a standardized tracking system for labor hours to minimize idle time during production. Better control over worker efficiency will help reduce total manufacturing costs and ensure the business achieve a higher profit margin. In conclusion, this assignment helped us understand how to apply the job order costing method in calculating the production cost of customized furniture. Throughout this project, we successfully identify and calculate direct material costs, direct labor costs, and manufacturing overhead costs for both products. We found that the wooden wardrobe has of higher production cost than the wooden table because it requires more material and labor. This project also gave us a practical experience in preparing job cost guide, costing calculation, and production documentation.
Now we move to Q&A section. Question 1. Why did your group choose to produce wooden table and wooden wardrobe?
To answer your question, we selected these products because they are practical household furniture with consistent demand. They also allowed us to apply job costing concepts effectively due to the different materials and labor involved.
Okay. Second question. Why did you use the job cost card method?
And the answer for question number 2, the job cost card help record direct material, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead for each product. This enables the business to calculate the total production cost accurately.
Interesting. Question 3. Which product is more expensive to produce?
The wooden wardrobe has a higher production cost because it requires more wood, additional hardware such as hinges and handles, and more labor hours than the wooden table.
Question 4. Why are solid wood plank and plywood classified as direct materials?
They are classified as direct materials because they become part of the finished products, and their cost can be directly traced to the production of each wooden table and wardrobe. Without these materials, the product cannot be manufactured.
And now, we move on to our last question, which is question 5. Why did your group learn from this project.
Last but not least, we gain a better understanding of cost accounting, especially how production costs are recorded and used to make pricing and business decisions.